Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm joining you here on this Wednesday. It was a really chilly start to our morning. It effectively ended the growing season in parts of Minnesota. 23 in Bemidji, the coolest spot. And if you recall, during our newscast last night, I was telling you that the models were, I didn't think, having a good understanding of how effective the radiational cooling would be. Models were forecasting upper 20s and low 30s, but we were saying that we would likely see some mid 20s, and that's what we saw this morning. 27 in Baudette, 24 Park Rapids, 29 in Thief River, 36 here in Fargo, one of the warmer spots this morning. Let's get to your forecast. We've got a special weather statement continuing until 7 p.m. this evening for near critical fire weather conditions across our Minnesota counties. We've got low relative humidities between about 20 and 30%, winds gusting to 10 to 20 miles per hour, and we've got some dry fuel, some dry vegetation. In fact, we now have some relative humidity values in the teens, 19% in Thief River, 18% in Bemidji. That is a dry air mass, and with winds gusting 15 to 20 miles per hour, that's enough for fire weather conditions. The strongest winds today, though, have been within the Red River Valley, gusting to 31 in Fargo, 30 in Grand Forks, and across North Dakota. A little gustier out west, gusting to 33 in places like Minot and Bismarck, 39 in Mobridge, South Dakota. Let's look ahead to the rest of our evening. Very comfortable temperatures in the mid and upper 60s. Just breezy, but at least we have a lot of sunshine to go along with it. Grand Forks temperatures also in the 60s this evening, along with that southeasterly breeze. For tomorrow, we'll warm up a little bit more. A little less wind, slightly breezy on the Minnesota side, and temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s, but we will have a little bit more cloud cover tomorrow as well. Some cloud cover, and the breeze overnight tonight is actually going to inhibit temperatures from dropping quite as cold as where we have been. Looking ahead to the weekend, we've got a first alert to some rain returning. 71 Saturday, 70 Sunday, so the temperatures are going to be mild, but we see increasing clouds on Saturday and showers returning in the afternoon and evening, and then some showers again into Sunday with wind as well. Let's see what that looks like here. Throughout the morning hours of Saturday, a warm front will be moving through out west, and we see a few showers in association with that front, but it's not until the evening here that we see some showers in the Southern Valley. In fact, this is showing overnight Saturday into early Sunday morning. Mostly cloudy skies too. That front lifts, it's quickly followed by a cold front for Sunday afternoon, and we see additional showers with that cold front. Notice up in Canada, yep, that's freezing rain and snow. That does look to remain north of the international border, but kind of jarring to see that as we head into just the middle of October. Most of this rain is gone by the time you're heading off to work or to school on Monday morning. Here's an early look at precipitation potential. You can see some of these, let's call that teal, dark green. I don't really know what color to call that. Darker green colors. That's where we could see up to a half an inch of rainfall. With these darker greens in the middle, that's where we could see about a quarter of an inch, a tenth of an inch, and lesser amounts as you progress off to the west. So our Minnesota communities will be benefiting the most from the rainfall. In the meantime, we are dry for the rest of this evening, and it's nice that we won't be quite as chilly into your Thursday.